Vallejo. I am in Tesla dealer. And look at all this beautiful car. With the gas going up crazily. I wish I can have one of this. It would be a dream come true. I wish I had this guy right there. The Cybertruck. This wet is so sexy. I wish you had one too, if you like. I wish you had one, I have one, we all have one. Everybody have one. Only if you guys like. If you don't like, it's okay. You buy different kind of car, like the one all the way to the back behind this Cybertruck. Ooh, look at all this car in here. It's just so beautiful. Someone already buy them, I think. Some have the license plate in the front, some doesn't. I don't know what that means. This car. I'm behind Tesla dealerships in Vallejo, California. And then you can see Toyota behind. I actually like Toyota a lot. But the problem is I don't have I really don't want to go gas no more and then go into Toyota electric. Maybe it's as expensive, more expensive than Tesla, like such as insurance. This is Model X and other stuff. The color is very beautiful. They're charging, I wonder, for model, for someone driving this. When the Cybertruck was coming out for $49,000, the one that just start, I put $100 in there, I believe 100, and then the COVID hit, and then it become how much? When COVID hit, it become the price went up a lot. So and then they was like not making enough, and when they did, they called, they emailed us. We didn't go get it because we don't have the money for it, and then we just lost that $100 because the basic model for Cybertruck was $49,000 that came out, and I really in love with that Cybertruck right there. But unfortunately, I didn't get it. This is somebody car. It had the Hello Kitty inside, like kitty cat walking head. So maybe some of this car belongs to somebody. They come here to fix, like that Cybertruck with the orange. Yeah, look like this. Yesterday I went to Sacramento for the 50th celebrations, and today I come to Tesla to look at car. I just want to see how they look like up close and personal. I'm not gonna go inside to the dealer and play around with it anymore. It's enough about me. I actually came here yesterday to talk to them about it. About the car. So I don't have a car to drive. And I don't know. So what do you guys think? You guys think I should get it or not? The warehouse in the back is where I fix the car, I think. I decided I'm gonna go maybe inside. And so to show you guys a little bit something. Let's go to the other side. So much Cybertruck nowadays. Before it's like you have to wait for how many years when COVID hit. So people are inside waiting. And here's the street, how it looked like. And look at that black Cybertruck over there. Excuse me. And this one is special Cybertruck. Oh no, it's a Cybertruck. I don't know what kind of car is this. I'm just walking in the parking lot. Looking at wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow. So this person had to paint because oh Applebee behind, I'm hungry. So this is like the original, right? And then oh someone bought this car already. And then when you see this black color, you know this color is painted already. Oh, someone backing into the parking. These all look like this. A lot of people are waiting. Toy. This is a cute toy. Standard Model X, Y, Model Y. And you look inside. This is, I think, a 20-inch room. Look at this. Look at this. Look at it. This is the other one. Sa dito, madalas na I saw the guy yesterday. They were doing solo work too. This color is so pretty. That can fit a lot of it. And that's where you find them, 99. So you open the door. This is 19-inch. There's somebody inside there and playing around with it. Okay, you can play. I can play around too. I can press this. See? Nice, huh? And the chair to floor. That one is that one. But if I want to come the other side. So what happens if I want to, when you fold that one go up to let it fold and then move back the driveway. And move back up there. Oh, there's a camera in the back right there. So nice. Oh, I really like Tesla, so I don't know what to do. I have no money. I can finance, but I don't have credit. Oh, there's another Cybertruck in there. Three Plaid, so it's fast, right?
Yeah.
Plaid is fast. Zoom! I love this red color. I mean, they have their own color, beautiful. Oh, you could look at right here. Inside, how it look like. Look at the tires, so cool. Maybe they are special. Oh, another Cybertruck. Before when you see Cybertruck, you're like so happy, like, oh, Cybertruck! Oh, they have crossed all the way around here. Also, see the even the Cybertruck company, use that truck, they buy another car. I think some of this car that you see, people trade in. I think. Yeah, look like this. And over there, maybe they're painting, they're fixing, I don't know. And I don't want to ask them and bother them. But let me go back to my, go back where I came from. Hey, hang on, I'm almost done. Okay, thank you for watching. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye-bye.